We're looking at contraction in English. Contraction in English, I specified it as in English because remember, we also have contraction in pregnancy, right? So today we'll be looking at this topic, contraction in English. What is contraction in English? Contraction is the shortened form of a group of words. The shortened form of what? A group of words. They are used in both written and oral English, both in your writing and in speaking, that is oral. That is where we can use our contraction. Contraction is when you write your contraction in English, the omitted letters are always replaced with what? An apostrophe, either are or is, always replaced with an apostrophe. Take for instance, we'll have this is not. When I want to contract this is not, I'm going to have isn't. Is not in the contracted form, I'm going to have it as what? Isn't. Now let's look at these examples of contractions on the board. We have number one, and not. And not, looking at what we have done in this one I just did here, what are we going to write there and where are we going to contract? Where are we going to replace? Where are we going to omit and put our apostrophe? Now we'll have are, you put your N before you put apostrophe T. So are not is going to come out as aren't. And not is what? Aren't. Now let's look at number two there. We have cannot. We put our CAN apostrophe T. We have removed N and O. Number one is that there are two N there, so we take one. Can't. Cannot is what? Can't. We have could not. Couldn't. Could not is what? Couldn't. In the contracted form. Did not. Didn't. Did not. Didn't. Does not. In contraction, we have it this way, doesn't. Does not is what? Doesn't. Now let's see number six. Let us. Let's. Let us will be what? Let's. Have not. Haven't. Have not will have what? Haven't. Had not. Hadn't. Had not. Hadn't. She is. She's. She is she's. She is or she has is what? She's. Are we there? You know, I love giving activities at the end of my classes so that we can connect easily in the comment section, right? Now we have number 1 to 5 as the activity we are going to do, and I want to see the answers in the comments. We have we had. You like to follow up what we have done in the examples we showed before now and give me the example, the answers. We have. Who has? Will not. Would not. Hope you enjoyed today's class. Do well to also answer these activities in the comment. You can answer one or two, or you can just show a bravo and answer all of them. Please try to subscribe to our channel, like and share. Bye.